ShaoBank interesting news. New bonds are now available to purchase. These 5-year and 2-year bonds serve as critical financial instrument that supports the global future technology and culture and increasing financial partners capitalization. The capital raise will support investment in advertising and develop KaiCoin, I hope that's how it's pronounced, cryptocurrency, expanding our horizon and that's their native token, expanding our horizons and in turn increasing turnover and profits for the ecosystem, global future enterprise group and all our clients. Maximize your profit, invest in KaiCoin, best wishes from ShaoBank. So remember, I think my last video, I explained to you guys that the current FP bond series was going away. I think the end was it closed out on the 30th of April, which was yesterday, and then now they've got the new bond. But the bonds that we had prior to the 30th of April, they were 0.5% to 2% per day. But these ones, these new ones are a little bit, you get a little bit less incentive or a little bit less daily rewards. I'll walk you through that in a minute. So if this is your first time on the channel, welcome and great to have you here. And I hope this is not your last, or it won't be your last. And for those who have always supported the channel, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate all of you guys. Thank you so much, because without you, there wouldn't be any channel. So I so appreciate all of you. Thank you. And for those who have not yet subscribed, I am waiting for you to subscribe. Just drop it in the comment section below to say, Yulin, you force my hands, and you're lucky that you're giving me value, because otherwise you wouldn't get my subscription. Anyway, I know you will subscribe. As long as I'm giving you value, I know you will subscribe. That's an easy subscription. Okay, guys, so I will give you what you are here for. So, so there are new bonds now on ShaoBank. Let me just walk you through the new ones. So, so for the new ones, let me go over to the bond tab. So if I go over to the bond tab, so here are the new bonds. So this one is called UC, which the affiliate partner is the name of the affiliate partner for ShaoBank is called Universal Century. So hence UC1, and their bond is yield 0.2% per day. Maximum and the minimum, the quantity that you have, the minimum bond you have to purchase is 10, and it will mature. You get that 0.2% for 5 years. So as you can see, it's in Hong Kong dollars. So if I change it over to USDT, so it's 51.28, as you can see. So it will cost you 51.28 in order to purchase 10 bonds for the UC1 bond. And as you can see here, the total income that you would receive is 14,400 Hong Kong dollars. And the daily rewards in Hong Kong dollars is 0.8, weekly 5.6. Let me see if I can quickly go to the exchange, xe.com, and give you the exchange. Just bear with me. I should have done that beforehand. Just bear with me whilst that comes up. Okay, cool. And so if I just put in here, what was the amount? So the amount was monthly. Let's do the monthly amount on the UC bond, where you get 0.2% per day. So you get 24 Hong Kong dollars. So if I put in here 24, well, you kind of have almost close to that 24. So you would get $3 per day. So you would earn $3 per day, not per day, sorry, I think it's per month. Let me go here, sorry. So you would earn $3 per month. So it's per month. So you'd earn $3 per month on this one. And as I said, you can send over 51. If you want to buy 10, if you want to increase that to 20, yes, you would send over 102.56. If you want to increase it to 30, you would send 153.84. And obviously your amount goes up in terms of your monthly and weekly. Let's start again, daily, weekly, and monthly rewards, and annual reward goes up accordingly. So now you've got the KNC. So I've gone through now the UC, that's Universal Century bond. And so this is the 5-year one. I know I'm going to look at the 2-year one. So the KCN is the 2-year one. So as you can see, the KCN yields at 0.4 per day, and this is a 2-year one. And the minimum, as you can see, is it minimum 30? No, it's because I put in 30. So if you put in 10, okay. Okay, so if I put in 10, so these ones, as you can see, they cost a little bit more. So for this one, the cost is 256 USDT. Yeah, and that's for 10. And if I change that to 20, as you just saw earlier, then that's 512. So obviously the UC bond is much cheaper, but you get a lower reward. But for the KCN1, you get 0.4, and that's for 2 years, and it costs a little bit more. And the minimum, as you can see, is 10. Yeah, so if I go back here, right, and then for KC, so they're showing you a copy of the bond certificate there. For KCN2, it costs a little bit more. That's 512 for 10. For KCN3, 1,025. KCN4, 256. But as you can see, you get more rewards annually, daily, annually. So if you say, for instance, buy this one, for example, KCN4, let me go with something lower. Say you bought this one, KCN2, and you bought 10 bonds. You pay 512. Let me just give you your monthly amount, or say weekly. Let's do weekly. So if I put in 168 in the exchange, you would see how much you get per week. 168. That would give you $21 per week, right? So 168, yeah, you will get $21 per week from your bond, KCN2. And this one is KaiCoin. So this is your native token, KaiCoin certificate 2. And it goes up, as you can see, accordingly. It increases, sorry, as you go up in terms of the bond number. So KCN3, the minimum for 10 is 1,025, KCN4, 2,564, KCN5, the minimum is 5,128, KCN6, I mean, you can see the screen, I don't need to tell you the numbers. There you go, 51,280, and up to KCN11. So from KCN1 to KCN11, that's gone up to, wow, nice money, 1 million, woohoo. Yes, so this, as you can see, KCN11 costs a whopping 1 million just for 10 bonds, but I'm sure you're going to reap it in your rewards. As you can see there, you just drop that in your exchange and it will give you the equivalent to US dollars. So that's it, guys, in terms of the new bonds that are now available. So again, as I've already said to you before, and also, as you can see, the yield goes up. So if I go back to here, you get 0.4 on KCN1, 0.6 on KCN2, 0.7 on KCN3, 0.8 on 4, 1% on 5, 1.2 on 6, on 7, 1.4, on 8, 1.6, on 9, you get 1.8, and on KCN10, you get 2.2, and on KCN11, you get 2.6. So you're getting a higher reward, and so the investment is much higher. And just jump on an exchange and do the conversion from Hong Kong dollars to USDT, as I've just shown you here. I normally use XC.com. Okay, so that's it, guys. Those are the new bonds. So as you can see, one is Universal Century, one of their affiliate partner, and then their native token. They set up the bonds for their native token. So those are the two new bonds. And as you can see, KCN is for 2 years and UC is for 5 years. And UC is at 0.2%. But KCN increases gradually the higher the amount that you invest. But they're all for 2 years. Okay, so that's it, guys. That is it. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care. God bless you. Bye-bye.